Welcome dear students, Standard 4th, Subject EVS 1, Lesson number 13, Directions and Maps. Starting with our lesson. So students, you all know that there are 4 major directions, namely East, West, North and South. Now students, we will see main directions and sub-directions. The sub-directions of these 4 main directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Sub-directions lie exactly between two main directions. Now students, open your textbook, page number 81. Students, in this picture, y'all can see clock tower, mountain, tree, well, house, street lamp, pond and a fort. Now, clock tower is in which direction, students? Yes, right. Clock tower is in north directions and a house is in south direction. Okay, so north is opposite to south. Now next one, a tree is to west of direction and a pond is to east of direction. Here west is opposite to east. Now next one students, mountain. Mountain lies between north and west. So mountain lies in northwest direction. Now next, well. Well lies between south and west. So well lies in southwest direction. Street lamp. Street lamp lies between south and east. It means street lamp lies in southeast direction. Now next one is fort. Fort lies between north and east. It means fort lies in northeast directions. Directions are always parallel to the ground. A map must always be aligned to the local directions. Here, aligned means to arrange in straight line. This makes it easier for us to understand the map and the region. Directions and subdirections have been determined by man on the basis of the rising and setting of the sun. Thus, nature can be our guide. Now students, here is a map of Maharashtra state. In right hand side, index is given. Okay? In that index, you all can see state boundary, district boundary, state capital and second capital. Now students, we will take Bid district as an example and see the directions. Okay? Jalna lies to the north of Bid. Ahmednagar lies to west of Bid. Nanded lies to east of Bid. And Osmanabad lies to south of Bid. Parbhani lies to northeast of Bid. And Aurangabad lies to northwest of Bid. Latur lies to southeast of Bid. Now students, if we place compass rose on center of Maharashtra, then the location of Mumbai district is to the western coast of Maharashtra. Now students, what is known as compass rose? The diagram showing the directions and subdirections on a small card, it is known as the compass rose. Now students, when we draw pictures of houses, mountains and people, we draw them to fit the size of the paper we are drawing on. Right, no students? It is the same while drawing maps. While drawing a map, the distance between two places on the ground has to be shown in such a way that it fits the paper. The distance on the map is proportionate to the distance on the ground. Now see students, what is given here? The distance between Rasika and Reshma's house is 10 kilometers. The scale used on the map is 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. On the map, what would be the distance between the two houses? So students, what is given over here? 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, or else 1 kilometer equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 10 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. Therefore, distance between Rasika's house and Reshma's house is 10 kilometer. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.